They say it's mission impossible to start playing piano in 3 weeks. Just imagine being able to do that, going from nothing to being a piano player in 3 weeks, where people watch you play and think, wow, this guy can really play. Now, going the traditional way could be a long-winded affair. It can get boring, you know, but doing this way is fun, it's short, and it doesn't cost a lot of money. A good teacher, piano teacher, will normally take around 2 years to teach you how to play the piano. And you'll be very lucky to find a teacher who will teach you the stuff that you will learn in this course. Can you imagine that? 2 years to learn stuff that you can learn in 3 weeks. I've been playing piano now for several years, and I find that this method of teaching is absolutely the best way to get you from zero to playing the piano in the shortest time possible that exists today. I've tried and tested all these methods, all different books, and this is by far the best way. What you have to do in order for you to be successful during this course. The course recommends that you play one module every day unless otherwise stated. So you need to set yourself a goal and follow the course attentively. So if you don't understand the video once you've watched it, it's very important that you watch it again and again until you've understood it, and only move on once you've mastered each video. Follow the finger advice and play all sequences with the recommended finger placement. Take your time and remember to practice always, every day. After you've practiced that, you will know your way around the piano and will have a good knowledge on how to improvise. And for those of you who are really ambitious, you could probably already decide to join the band or do some solo gigs or accompany an artist. Also, another plus is once you've done this course, the jump to do the theory side of things will be very small. In fact, you probably won't even need any theory once you've done this course, because what you've learned in here will probably be enough for you to play your favourite songs. So do you want to make it reality? Here's the deal. I don't want you to struggle or fail trying to do this course manually. All I ask in return is for you to follow the course exactly and don't skip any days. This is an important thing for us and for you to succeed. And when you've done that, you'll realize you won't have to spend thousands of dollars on a piano teacher. You will have made it or got from A to maybe not Z, but to M or N of the alphabet with minimum costs. And at the moment, you can get play piano in 3 weeks for a ridiculously low price to help you start playing piano in just 21 days. Please note, the longer this course is on the marketplace, the higher the price will eventually raise to. In fact, the price you're seeing right now is probably the lowest it's ever going to be and will definitely be increasing very soon. So here's what I want you to do. Don't refresh the page, don't bookmark it. Click the buy now button and join the thousands of successful members of the Play Piano in 3 week course. Remember, after the launch, the price is definitely going to increase. But hey, it doesn't matter anyway, because even if I charge $500 for this course, it's still a steal. I'm completely confident for people who are aspiring to play piano better or sing, this is the course for them. In fact, I'm so confident I'm going to make this a completely 100% risk-free decision for you. I will offer you my This Will Work For You too, no question asked package, which is a 30-day money-back guarantee, whether you like it or not. So there's absolutely no risks to you. So click on the Buy It Now button to join the members. Oh, and I forgot to tell you about the one bonus. Because I want everyone to profit from the power of Play Piano in 3 weeks, even the beginners, I will give you 7 days trial for free, and I will also enter you into the 100-day Play Piano Challenge. Basically, the 100-day piano challenge is a challenge that I put on where if you play piano for 100 days straight, you can then inform me and I will send you a prize of whatever you want, or not whatever you want, but to a certain worth. And this piano challenge is worth 2 or 3 times more than what you would actually pay for the course, so it's worth it. So you're getting paid if you succeed. You're getting paid to complete the course, and I want you to succeed. So when you succeed, I succeed, and I'm happy about it. And in return, you stay motivated, knowing that at the end of 100 days, you have a gift from me. And that is all included today, so it's completely a no-brainer. Just imagine that in 3 weeks from now, you could be playing the piano and improvising and showing off to your friends and your mates, or even looking to start a band or join a band or go and do some gigs. Play piano in 3 weeks is definitely an advantage to aspiring musicians. This online piano course levels the playing field for us all. Now anyone can start playing piano in as little as 3 weeks. Now, do you want to make that a reality? If so, what are you going to do about it? If you keep doing what you're doing, you'll always get what you got. Are you ready to take the shortcut? If so, click the buy button below now for this ridiculously low price and join the members, and I'll see you on the other side.